Oh my God. Francis, you're so close to that car. No, I can't. It's outrageous. Yeah, you're giving me motion sickness with this. I actually think I'm a better driver than you. Oh. I'll be real. He's braking.
So am I.
You have my blood pressure up, my anxiety all the way up. Oh my God.
What is up, guys?
You do know the streets are literally, it's a 20.
Designwolf is back and she is drama. So here's the plan. You've been driving loads in an automatic. How's it been going?
I wouldn't say loads. I would say I've been driving enough around the area. Just so close. That's so close. See, that is, to me that was super close. I don't know why you're hogging up that road, like that road.
So far away I can't reach it.
It's giving me anxiety. The roads are busy. The streets are hectic. And mind you, this is a 20 zone.
It is. All of London's a 20. How do you feel about that?
It's great for me because I can be slow. Don't know why you're so eager to move. It's literally red. Okay, I mean now. Okay, fine. Oh my God, I can't. Oh my God.
20. So what's going wrong with the driving? Why you've called me back here today?
I don't have the confidence to drive on my own outside of my area.
What's giving you lack of confidence? Why is that making you nervous?
I guess maybe like not knowing the lay of the land, you know what I mean? Because now the locations I drive to, I kind of know the vibe of the road, I know where the turns are, I know what to expect on the road, like even to like the road signs and stuff. Like I know you can't park there, I know you can, like, you know?
Basically you can get around without a sat nav, you know where you're going.
Yes, I know where I'm going and I don't need to think too much because I've already been there, done that.
Have you tried driving with a sat nav?
Yeah. Oh, but I've had a passenger next to me to kind of...
To help you with the sat nav?
No, to help me with like, you know, whether it's now the turn or later on the turn, you know, things like that.
Yeah.
To when to do the maneuver.
Okay.
Of like, oh, like here, for example.
Is that because you don't trust yourself?
Like here, for example, I know it's a left, but I should be, like, for example, I would need to be in this lane.
To turn right?
Yeah, but the person next to me would be like, oh, stay left. Whereas the sign doesn't tell me to stay left, do you get me?
But you've passed a driving test, so you know the rules. That's the point of a driving test.
Yeah,
you know
that's true.
how to drive. Maybe you just need to trust yourself a little bit more.
Yeah, I actually didn't have a sat nav in my test, so.
Have you driven with a sat nav on your own since you passed?
On my own? No.
I think that's going to be the key to helping you navigate places that you don't know. If you get confident with the sat nav, because it does give you loads of warning about what to do next.
Yeah.
So here's the plan. We're driving into probably the busiest area in London, Chelsea.
Yeah.
Fulham and Chelsea. And we're going to set you a route to do on your own. So I'm going to get out again and you're going to drive on your own. That's legal, she's got a license before you come at me.
I'm a 3-month driver.
Just give yourself some confidence to be able to drive on your own. And do you know what? Like once you've passed your driving test as well, you need to have the confidence to be able to drive on your own as well, in areas not where you live. Because the point of a driving license is it can open up everything for you.
Yeah.
Open up the world.
Yeah.
Imagine driving in France.
No. You should want to be with me.
No, I definitely don't want to be here because I want you to have the confidence to be able to do this on your own. I know that you can, but until you actually do it, you're not going to believe that you can. Like you have to just creep outside your comfort zone to know where your actual boundaries are.
Okay.
Do you know what a fear is?
What?
On the other side of... Wait, that's a Will Smith quote. What's the Will Smith quote? Fear is on the other side of failure? No, fear is on... You have to be willing to fail to be able to... There's a Will Smith quote about fear is on the other side of something. Put it in the comments, please. And yeah, thank you. Once you've completed this 10-minute route, once you can do it here, you can do it anywhere. And then you won't need me to give you a motivational speech before you go. You'll just jump in a car and you'll get out there and start enjoying your license and enjoying the freedom and opportunities it gives you.
I'm dreading it.
Cool. I'm going to jump out and I'll see you when you get back. I believe in you.
Okay.
Turn left.
These roads are just
Turn right.
so...
Then take the second left.
Okay, hold on guys. I can't, there's people crossing. I haven't driven a manual in a very, very long time. And I've literally like have a whole extra layer of thinking that I'm not ready for. Like, see? Like, I already need to, oh my God, this car's coming! Okay, what's happening? I'm driving so, thank God, I'm driving so slowly. Thank God these streets are 20 miles per hour. Like, they're literally like helping.
100 yards, turn left.
Turn left. So we're taking the left turn here. Great, perfect.
Turn left, then take the second right.
So the good thing is that I'm able to take these streets. Take the next
Turn right.
I'm able to deal with these streets in a very slow manner. Okay. Oh my God, this is the way through Shakespeare! Okay. I'm in the wrong gear. I'm in the wrong gear, but I don't care. I'm in the wrong gear and I don't care. Oh my God, these roads are claustrophobic! Guys, I can't even.
Turn left.
These roads are tight. Turn left.
Turn left, then at the end of the road, turn right.
I'm doing all of this in like second gear and I'm not changing the gears. Can't be asked. Can't be asked. Why? Yeah, don't beep at me, mister. It's my right of way, lads. Oh shit, oh shit. I was meant to give her way. I forgot about oncoming traffic. Oh my God, I forgot about oncoming traffic. And she didn't honk at me, which means it wasn't that tragic. The car is begging to be in third gear, and I'm not doing it.
Turn right, then at the end of the road, turn left.
Turn right, and at the end of the road, turn left. Right here. Right?
Turn left, then take the third right.
I can be here, right? See, also these road rules and shit, that stuff, I don't know. Sorry, Francis, a lot of things to bleep here. I'm so sorry. Oh, hold on a minute. That was outrageous from that car. Oof. Oh my God, what's happening? Oh, he's flashing me. It's raining, guys. That's why I'm panicking a bit. Oh my God, trash. It's not your right of way.
After 100 yards, turn left, then take the second right.
The road rage, guys. The road rage is coming through now. Okay. Wait, what? Say right. I'm so confused. Guys, I actually made it. That was mad.
Hey, car's in one piece, and so are you.
Yeah, it was actually fine. But I also think, I told everyone, I think it was, oh my God, I tell you what I did.
Go on.
Hold on, I did something mad. So you know the right turn?
Mm-hmm.
I was so focused at the right turn, I forgot that it's oncoming traffic, I need to wait for them.
Okay.
So I just committed to the turn, and then the lady was coming close, and I'm thinking, why is she here? Anyways, but I think it's because I got to that turn before her,
Right.
and she was approaching it.
Well, that was what you had a
She
problem
didn't honk
with.
at me or anything, but I completely forgot that it was oncoming.
The right turn was your major issue on the last video. If you haven't
Yeah.
seen the click here.
Yeah,
click
I
here.
actually took it subconsciously. I took that turn subconsciously. It's because I didn't see someone going ahead. So I went straight away. But I mean, she didn't honk at me, guys. No one honked at me. So I think
Actually, you feel good now. You drove around an area that you don't know. You did use the sat nav.
I was looking at the time every 5 seconds. I was thinking, 2 minutes we'll be there, guys. 2 minutes we'll be there.
Who drives without a sat nav? So all you need to do is set up your sat nav, and then you'll be able to get anywhere.
It was a very stressful. It was a very stressful.
Would you do this again without someone next to you?
No.
Come on, you just said it was
Maybe.
easy.
Okay, maybe.
I'm really pleased that you did that. You didn't
That
want
was,
to.
guys, I was anxious you witnessed it. It was a very anxiety-inducing.
But you did it. You actually got around the route really quickly. There was no problems, no dramas. And look now.
It started raining.
You did it on your own as well. And it started raining and you dealt with it. Yeah? You could definitely do this on your own.
Yeah, I was saying that the good thing about this was that it was it's 20.
which is the whole of London, so you can definitely do this again.
So meaning that like you have more thinking time, you know.
Guys, get in the comments and give Designwolf some love, props and energy for this, because come on.
And I was scared of stalling. I was really scared of stalling.
She can drive, right? The anxiety, if you've got great tips as well, things that helped you first time driving, or things even that helped you on a driving test, put them in the comments, because we can all learn from this. We can all help each other out here to pass our driving test and drive afterwards. And not just in Putney, everywhere.
Yeah.
Use the license to the fullest extent. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
See you in the next video. Peace.